Haya ni tariki 29 mweri wa 5 mwaka wa 2024 na gitio kinene njitikire ngoroge kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV ikojoe ni gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthe ndayoka ni gumenyithio ria bururi wa Gitinda ukigari uragura hera ripoti kuma county itiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginyagia ripoti kuma nja wa itoka cia bururi tukirokio gwo nginya ripoti cia mathako ni maingi mari andiki aitu a mohoro magituharirie na bereda ya tabeta mukira matemo ma mohoro.
Mamwe mamare tukuhariririe ni ati rutwaria marima wathe kuma Pokoti ya muhuro gwakirwo irathi njeru cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Sabit. County ya Kirinyaga kuheana uteithio wa kuri family 19 iria ciahutire mutino wa mwaki Kigumo uria wacungiriirie ikuo cia ciana igiri. Na warutwo makiria ma 5,000 kuma Naikuru kwamukira tauro cia utheru kuma gwi thirikari ya county.
Aya na tugagiteka muno makiria ni gwe gwitikira gutwara na ithuĩ gikujira-ini giki gitu kia mohoro ririkana ati turamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathie kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukora kwa @Muthingi TV waikuruga kuria mwena YouTube @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe njitikaga wairimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukiambĩrĩria na riboti itu ya mbere ni ati thirikari ya county ya kuria mwena wa Kirinyaga ni rikite kuruguria mitaratara mieru ya uheani wa idio na uteithio kuri family makiria ma 19 iria iragomirwo ni mutino wa mwaki kuria mwena wa Kagumo mutino uria uracungiriirie ikuo cia ciana igiri. Ni ripoti iria iragituhingura ikujiro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa mothe.
Tumatukite kugwatanira na family iria irabirwo ni mwaki utuko tutumitwe ni High Excellency Governor anu Mundu wa iguru na nitwamaretera indo ngurani tumatutumitwo na mattresses mikondoro mirengeti irio cia kuria ona mabati nigetha mabote kwigukiriria mavinda maya marasakaya na twareta ndumiriria condolences muno kwi mutumia ucio arorirwo ni twana twake twiri na twauga ni tukuthi na mbere kunyitanira nake
bau bangi njuria ndo kwa mutira na njira ya mwanya na njira ya gitio atirira tukorwo tugiakwa miako itu ni twitikire kurumirira mawatho ma county planning department seek approvals cia ndruing ciothe nigetha riria twagia mitino teno aria moka gutuokoa magakorwo na gwa kuingirira na wa gutukinyira nigetha magatuokoaga ni ibenya o uria kwabotekeka.
Koguo njuge ni thengi muno andu itu ni tukunyitanira na family na togu mwero ndene ivoya rimwe ndiravoya county government guku ni mutino woka ri ni ivoya ndiravoya ni mutino woka ri na no makorwo makienda gusetwo na ivenya ri Jacqueline ungira governor matumiro mundu ucio wa planning amateithiririe matigoke wabici na amateithiririe we avingite meitho uguo ni mutino niguo amoni ure megwaka tunyumba matekurithio ni mutino niguo ni no inyu mwaturetera ndu indo cia gwaka tiguo
umuthe ngai ni mwega tondu ni aturetere anene itu moka guku mari mothe kuma gicugu nginyagia yani Kirinyaga andu a Kirinyaga na aria angi nginyagia Gacagua ndirigwa ni matumara birambi ciao kuma Nyeri ni rakena muno tondu rambirambi ni meka wega ni mokite wega na indo nyingi muno irio miringiti mikondoro na nie ndaretwo nginyagia mabati ma gwaka riu ni undu ucio ni njoketie ngatho ni thirikari uria yeka na andu othe aria marunganite guku na undu wakwa tondu mburotino ni yakwa ningenete muno
unafuatana hivyo.
Haya na family imwe kuma mwena wa Nanyuki guku ari ni county ya Laikipia no irathi na mbere guthinika guku igetha kihoto kia mwana wao niwe Agnes Wanjiru na uria wakorirwo akiuragwo ni abitha a mbiraru cia Ngeretha kuma mwena wa Batuku guku ari ni mwena wa Nanyuki giko giki giahanikire miaka 12 mihituku na kuria family no ikitithiritana kuri thirikari nene ora hamwe na thirikari ya county hari kumateithiriria gwetha uteithio wa kihoto kiao.
Ile naweza sema ile tumeipata ambayo sisi kama kamiti iliweza kututikisha kidogo ni hiyo kifo ya Agnes Wanjiru, na hata ndio ilipea msukumo zaidi kamati hii kuweza kufanya kwamba kuangalia kwa sababu Agnes Wanjiru ni mmoja, lakini inaweza kuwa ni wangapi wengine ambao ni kama Agnes Wanjiru na lakini yao haikuweza kutoka kwenye press ama haiweza kutoka nje ndio watu wengi waweze kujua. Ndio maana imebaini kamati hii ije hapa ili iweze kuisikia kwa maoni kutoka kwa watu wengi. Ya Agnes Wanjiru ni pigo kubwa kwa sehemu hii, ni jambo ambalo si mzuri, na kama ni kweli iliweza kufanywa na maaskari wa Uingereza, basi lazima sheria iweze kuchukua mkondo wake na wale wetu ambao walihusika waweze kukamatwa. Niweze pia kusema kwa sababu ni jambo ambalo niliulizwa hapo ndani kwamba wakati tulikuwa tunaratibu Defense Cooperation Agreement mwaka uliopita, tuliweza kuongeza kipengele ambayo inasema kwamba kwa wale maofisa wote ambao watakuja wa Kenya kwa mazoezi ama kuweza kujifundisha mambo ama kutumia ardhi ya Kenya kufanya mafunzo yao na wafanya makosa ama kutoa uhai kwa binadamu yeyote wa taifa hili, watachukuliwa hatua na kupelekwa kotini na kushtakiwa kwa sheria ya Kenya.
Agnes Wanjiru, we have tried our best, tumejaribu vile tunaweza, but finally we are happy that the committee is here because we know justice will finally be delivered because they are going to follow it up to the end. Pia we have a lot of cases of delayed compensation which we are also demanding. Pia hizo zimaliziwe, watu wetu wapate kulipwa na kufaidika vile wanavyotakikana. Vile upande wa kazi ni lazima watu wetu waangaliwe, ati hatuwezi kuwa na kazi kubwa inafanyika huku katika Laikipia County, lakini ikifika ni kuandika watu kazi, ni watu wapali pengine nje wanaletwa ili wafanye hizo kazi.
Na gũkũ bũrũri wa Kenya ũgĩthiĩ na mbere kũgũmĩrwo nĩ mathirĩ harĩ mwaka-inĩ mwerũ wa kĩgĩna wa 2024-2025. Bũrũri wa Kenya waya gwĩkora hatĩka-inĩ ya gũkomba oro rĩngĩ kuona atĩ ndĩrĩ na mũigana wa ciringi bilioni makĩria ma 514 iria iragĩkorwo ikĩhũthĩkana nĩguo kũhũra njeki bajeti ĩno njerũ. O nĩ kũringana mwandĩki mũkaru wa kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna bũrũri-inĩ nĩwe Chris Kipto.
The charge on the overdraft facility for 2023-2024 is set to amount to Kenya shilling 12.6 billion. This will be over 104% increase from financial year 2022-2023.
From the financial year 2020 to 2001 to the financial year 2004-2005, the CFS expenditures are expected to double, adding to a total of Kenya shillings 1 trillion. This significant growth highlights the escalating financial obligations and reducing fiscal space. We need an explanation to this and how you're going to get out of this mess.
We have outlined three main strategies which are under implementation. We pronounce ourselves to the need to undertake active liability management operation, which means replacing expensive and risky debt with relatively cheaper debt. And going forward, Chair, we have some initiatives that we have in mind, which includes accessing the international financial market with the cover of guarantees to enable us access relatively cheaper market-related facilities.
Can we not bite the bullet and say we can't get that? Our deficit remains what it was, rather than just going to go the easy route and borrow, and then you're adding more into our public debt. So why don't you look at the option of making cuts rather than just going to the market to borrow more?
Through fiscal consolidation, that we aim to match the revenues with the expenditure.
Now arutwo a airĩtu makĩria ma 5,000 nĩ magunĩkĩte na tauro cia ũtheru thukuru-inĩ wa Ngara School for the Deaf gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Nakuru. Ũteithio ũyũ ũrakorwo ũkĩheanwo nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa thirikari kĩa Rotary Club of Nakuru ororere bururi urakogoragwo ugikungwira muthenya wa airetu bururi-ini.
My name is James Yegon and I'm the current president of the Rotary Club of Nakuru. We still have a lot of girls who are still facing challenges of accessing sanitary towels and that has hindered their performance, in which so many girls have not been able to access education because girls do miss schools 4 days a month, and that has really interfered with their education. We are also appealing to the government as well to ensure that whatever the allocation of funds they have set aside to supply sanitary towels, let them increase the allocation so that they can reach out to many girls outside there. We are going to issue sanitary towels and panties to over 300 girls today. But also for the boy child, we have been carrying out training to ensure they also understand what the girls are going through, as well as what is their role in the community as far as the boys are concerned.
Kimaita from Gala School for the Deaf. I'm the head teacher. Our girls, most of them, they come from very vulnerable families, and many may not be able to afford the sanitary towels. Like today, I had the last bunch in store. So it's for us as a teacher and as a community to help them to know who they are, and what they go through as menstrual is not a curse, is not a challenge. It's something that is a normal development in their lives, like any other development in their body. So I really thank the Rotary Club for remembering our school today. The boy child has a role, because these are the brothers, these are the seatmates, these are the schoolmates they are with. And sometimes when maybe the girl messes up, the boy will really, they laugh because they don't know what it is. So it's very important also for the boy child to understand that
hana ororere bururi uragikoragwo ugikungwira muthi wa airetu gwothe bururi-ini goko bururi-ini wa Kenya. Mũmbunge wa atumia wa Isiolo Mumina Bonaya augite witikio kana mitugo iria igiragiriria andu gukorwo makiariria kahinda ka mweri itibatie gukorwo na kamwanya matura-ini. Mumina neugite ati riu ni gukorwo kwagiriirwo hari kuhe mataro na mitaratara meiganu hari kwaririria uhoro wigi kahinda ka mweri niguo kunina mithitukanio ya airetu.
Wapata kipindi hiki ipo kuongelea, si ndio? Ni siku ya kutambua usafi ambaye inashughulika na mambo ya menstruation. Na sisi kama jamii ambaye tunaishi sehemu hii, wengi wetu tukiwa wafugaji, mara nyingi tunasikia aibu. Tunasikia aibu kuongea kuhusu mambo ya menstruation. Na nafikiri wakati imefika mambo ya kusikia aibu yaishe, tuongelee hiyo mambo waziwazi. Semeni waziwazi. Kama watoto wetu wanaongelea hiyo maneno hapa waziwazi, sisi wazazi je? Wakati wasichana walikuwa wanafanya demonstration hapa na mimi nikawajoin kuwasaidia, kuna watu walikuwa wanaangalia chini. Ukiona uangalie chini, haujui challenge wasichana wanapitia katika shule kwa sababu ya haya mambo. Tunataka kuongelea waziwazi ndio watoto wetu wasianze kuona aibu katika hiyo jambo. Maumbile ya Mungu, mpango ya Mungu haina nini? Aibu. Aibu itakuja wakati sisi tunakosa kufanya jukumu yetu kama wazazi, kama walimu, kuhakikisha wamepata usafi ambaye
kiongozi. Hiyo ni kutukana Mwenyezi Mungu, kwa sababu ni yeye amemweka kwa hiyo wakati. So mimi naomba vijana wetu tafadhali, hawa viongozi tuwaheshimu, na ningependa kuomba pia viongozi wetu, tunaomba mshikane, tunaomba mpendane. Hizi vita tunaona kwa social media hazitatusaidia, na pia ningependa kutuma ujumbe ifikie rais wetu. Hii uongozi mlipata kwa shida sana na kwa maombi. Maombi sana sana ndio iliweka kwa viti. Hatutaki kuona ile vita ambayo tuliona ya Uhuru na Ruto. Saizi tunaomba Gachagua na Ruto wafanye kazi kwa pamoja, na tunawaombea sana kwa sababu tuliwachagua kwa mapenzi mengi.
Aya na ripoti iyo niyo egukoro igitweka mweke ga guikiria ndugathi haraya niturashokereria na mangi maingi.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja ithano mugwanja igiri ithatu ithano inyanya kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja ithano mugwanja igiri ithatu ithano inyanya kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Aya nĩ twagicokereria na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie kwambĩka mũbango wa gũkinyanĩria ũheani wa irio mathukuru-inĩ arĩ ta njĩra ya gũkinyanĩria na gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari ya Food for Education. Nĩ mũbango na mũtaratara ũrĩa ũtanyĩtwo kũhũra jeki ũheani wa irio kũrĩ arutwo a ECD.
Of course, there's a legal problem because counties do not deal with primary schools, they don't deal with secondary schools. So we were at a dilemma, how do we come in and help parents in primary school, whereas primary education is not devolved. However, we decided to get a middle ground. Parents copy and us we get a donor who supports the balance.
Wengine hata wanakosa kukuja shule kwa sababu huko manyumbani saa zingine kuna mashida mingi sana. Mzazi anashindwa labda huyo mtoto hajakula kitu kutoka asubuhi na hata labda usiku yenye imepita hata hakukuwa amekula. Kwa hivyo hii program itasaidia kuweka watoto shule na watoto waweze kuperform vizuri juu watarimini shule.
Our population has continued to grow. The runners have embraced it, they're enjoying the food, the parents are here in large numbers, they are enrolling for the program and we hope they will continue supporting the program.
Tufurahisha sana kama wamama juu unaweza tu kuwa na hizo 20 bob kwa nyumba lakini asiwezi kugharimia mtoto kubeba chakula, lakini sasa kuna programu nzuri ni kuweka tu hizo pesa hizo 20 kwa simu alafu mtoto wako anasafiwa lunch.
Mtoto atakuwa na kula chakula ambacho si baridi. Vile chakula chenyewe kimetayarishwa kwa kuzingatia viwango vifaavyo vya usafi. Kwa hivyo magonjwa mengine ambayo tunapata ya tumbo ni kumaanisha hayo yatakuwa ni mambo ya kihistoria, ni mambo tumeachana nayo.
Na ikinya-inĩ rĩa kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo kũrĩ andũ othe, arutwo arĩa marĩ mawathe gũkũ nĩ mwena wa Pokot ya mũhuro nĩ marĩkĩtio kũhũrwo njeki na gwakĩrwo irathi ithatũ cia mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 3 cukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Sebit. Hĩndĩ ya igongona nĩ kũrugũria cukuru-inĩ ũyũ wa Sebit, retired Major Modsen Modoka nĩ athingatĩtie aciari kwaga kũhitha ciana iria irĩ na mawathe na gwĩtĩkĩra kũmatwara macukuru-inĩ.
Alafu nisome inasemaje? Wazazi tunawahimiza, tafadhali msifiche watoto wenu hadi kwa sababu ni mlemavu. Bring that child forward. Akija mbele pia ataweza kupata moyo na wengine pile wale wako walemavu watapata moyo na tunaendelea. Kwa hivyo sisi wajibu wetu ni kuweza kusaidia pahali popote ambapo tunaweza. Sisi wheelchairs one pair of crutches missed 1 or 4 white canes. Sijui itasaidia. Kwa hivyo we are ready to help.
Government students of this disability primary school are living with disability and they are integrated in the normal learning progress. But with the coming up of this unity, we feel that it will enhance this particular unity so much because we at long last we will be able to have a school that we shall call special education school.
Kwa imwero itugira kuria iharo-inĩ citũ na kuria mbĩtĩka cia Raga Enterprise na itanyĩtwo kũnyita thing'a ikereka-inĩ rĩa semi-finals weekend ĩno kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega na Nairobi. Timu ya cia mũbira wa Gonya Ariko Kabras Sugar magatũngana na Nondescript kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kakamega na kuria KCB magatũngana na Kenya Harlequin kĩharo-inĩ gĩa KCB Ruaraka. harĩ mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia Rhino Charge nĩ atĩ bengi ya KCB hamwe na National Bank nĩ matũngĩte mbĩtĩka cia Rhino Charge iria igatabanio kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado na ciringi milioni 10. Akĩaria arĩ njĩra-inĩ wa ndereba wa ngari cia mahenya augĩte arĩ cemba hamwe na gĩkundi gĩake harĩ mbĩtĩka ici cia gũtarĩria gĩkeno gĩake thutha wa kũhũrwo njeki nĩ bengi ĩno. Riboti ya mathako nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtirihĩra gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngũcokeria ngatho we wagĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjĩro gĩkĩ gitũ kĩa mohoro. Ngũririkanie atĩ wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda mathaa ma hwaĩ-inĩ nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩtũngana oro rĩngĩ ngũmenyithia maingĩ marĩa andĩki aitũ a mohoro megũkorwo magĩtũharĩrĩria. Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ niĩ ngakwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega njĩtĩkaga Wairimũ.